Have a JPGSEP file from a print production workflow. This is a JPEG separation file used in commercial printing for color-separated images. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with these print production files. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any JPGSEP file. Let's try the simple solutions first. JPGSEP files are JPEG separation files used in commercial printing workflows where color-separated images are required for prepress production. They contain JPEG-compressed image data representing individual color separations, CMYK channels, enabling high-quality 4-color process printing with proper color reproduction in commercial print production. JPGSEP separation files use JPEG compression applied to color-separated image data, with each separation typically representing one ink channel cyan, magenta, yellow, or black. The format includes color space metadata, separation identification, and printing parameters specific to commercial prepress workflows, ensuring accurate color reproduction in printed output. Most installations default to associating Adobe Photoshop from Adobe with JPGSEP. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows can reveal the final image, but underlying detail work needs an image editor. The solution lies in finding the correct software match. Go to your JPGSEP file, right-click, and select Open With. Use Adobe Photoshop first if it is installed. If not, start testing other options until one successfully reads the file. If the JPGSEP file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The file is forcing our hand. We're going to challenge it by testing these common failure scenarios right now. First, opening in Adobe Photoshop. Launch Adobe Photoshop and use File then Open to load the JPGSEP file. Photoshop handles various JPEG variants including separation files. View individual channels through the Channels panel to inspect each color separation. This professional image editing software provides comprehensive tools for examining and editing color separations. Next, working with print software. Use professional prepress applications like Adobe InDesign or Quark Express for placing JPGSEP separations in page layouts. These applications handle color-separated images, correctly preserving the prepress workflow integrity. Verify color management settings match the production environment to ensure accurate color reproduction in final printed output. Finally, converting to composite. Convert JPGSEP separations back to composite RGB or CMYK images using Photoshop's Image Then Mode menu. This composite conversion enables viewing the assembled image as it would appear when printed. Save the composite as standard JPEG TIFF or PSD for use in non-prepress workflows requiring single-channel image files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.